Hi, my name is Matt Wise. I'm an environmental technician with EJ Equipment, and I'm here to tell you why you should rebuild your PD blower instead of buying a new PD blower. A lot of times whenever you have your PD blowers and you notice that they are not picking up a lot of material, sometimes it is because there is material clogged in the ductwork along the way to the PD blower, or the PD blower has become worn out and is no longer has the same clearances as when it first started from factory. A lot of instances you get blowers that have either started leaking oil or have started making noise. Usually whenever they come to me, I take a look and see what has particularly gone wrong, whether I can see oil coming from around the seals or if I can possibly see anything that is making contact that is not supposed to be making contact in the blower. After I can identify the problem, whether it be the seals leak or what contact it's making, I usually tear down the blower a little bit at a time and try to remedy the situation. Whether it be an oil system leaks, to reseal them and put the system back together and make it work again, or if it is making contact, pulling the system completely apart to check and see what is making contact and if it is still within tolerance to be rebuilt and put back together. A lot of times your blower is not as far gone as you think. Sometimes you can actually rebuild and bring it back to a like new condition and it will still operate the same as a brand new blower. I can go through and check and see if it's viable to rebuild and make sure it only costs you a fraction. If you have any questions about PD blowers, please feel free to reach out to the EJ Service Department and we will get back with you in order to help you keep your equipment running.